Na 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 na
Hi guys! We're on our way to Yacht Club, Subi. Yay! From baby was a playboy. This is my baby, my baby. Oh, my baby. Kiss nga daw sa mommy. We're now in Subic and here's the yacht. Yan yung maraming yacht.
Saan pupunta?
Sa dagat.
Dagat?
Yung mga kasama namin, sa ate, lahat ate.
Yung mga isda.
Uy, ang lalaki ng fishes.
Ayoko lumangoy.
Hindi naman tayo dyan lalangoy po. We are wearing all white. What can you say?
I say I'm very
What do you expect?
happy. Expect more blessing and God guidance for this trip, for each every one of us. And thank you, Lord.
For the sun.
For the sun.
Kasi umuulan kanina.
Thank you.
Sa taas.
Ang museo, magandang magsapatos eh.
Gusto niyo po, hindi po magtaga-sapatos na rin.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs.
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan! Iiyak na yan! Bakit yung mga nagbibideo yung umiiyak?
Picture! Take a picture!
Very special.
Dalawa. Tatlo. Picture. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ang top part. This is just the first, the second floor. Then we still have third floor. We're here! Yay! Woohoo! Ready, ready. Woo! Go!
So guys, 1, 2.
Oh, go! Ay, andun na sila.
Guys. 1, 2.
with the view.
While I waited for the sun to shine, I was crying on my own. It was all a waste of time, all along. Yeah, I waited through the summertime for the sun to come around, come around, come around. Come around. Oh, the rain will beat the sun, 'cause your heart is on the run. The rain will fall till we fall in love again. When your heart is on the run, I will never see the sun. The rain will fall till we fall in love again, again. Well, you left me in the morning sun, oh baby, oh. I'll be back before the sun goes down.
Nakaligo na. Vlog to vlog. Sarap.
Parang ayoko na sumama talaga. Mukhang badyo eh.
I will never see the sun. The rain will fall till we fall in love again, again. Oh, I loved you for 1,000 tears. Oh, yeah. It's been raining from my eyes for years. Yeah. Baby, come on. The rain will be the sun when your heart is on the run. Yeah. When your heart is on the run. When your heart is on the run. Yeah. Well. The rain will beat the sun. Yeah. 'Cause your heart is on the run. Yeah. The rain will fall till we fall in love again. But don't you know when your heart is on the run, I will never see the sun. The rain will fall till we fall in love again, again. Oh, when your heart is on the run, when your heart is on the run.
Padak na kami. We're back. Yeah. Oh, so many are waiting for dinner. Yan, dyan yung dito magdadak. Saan kami nang galing? Diyan kami nang galing kanina.
Ako sa ibang bangka, mukha naman akong pro eh.
Galing oh. naman, ang ganda. Ganda ng view. Kami ay bababa na dahil 5 o'clock na. Let's go. Tutur ko kayo. Ito siya pagbaba. Ito yung pinaka-top floor. Si Mami Leps nagsiselfie. Ito yung pababa. Wing space. Yan talunan. Another floor.
I'm wearing playas.
Sabi mo 1 plus 1, 4.
Congratulations, attorney! Yan si attorney!
Double-check po kami ng gamit ha.
Pinaka-reception.
Bye po, thank you.
Bye-bye!
Gamit, pa-double-check po.
Bye!
Salamat sa inyo mag-ina.
Thank you, ano?
Yeah, love, 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 love. Yung kapitbahay namin, mag-ina. Bakit kasi? Sino ba ang mag-ina? Yung kapitbahay namin.
Bye!
Thank you so much. God bless you. More bless to you. Ito na sana.
Pa-double-check po.
Ha, dyan naka-vlog.
Thank you din.
Ganyan. Ah, sige po.
Saan ba tayo?
Bye!
Guys, thank you so much.
Babalik kami ha.
Oy!
Alright! Woohoo!
Bye po! Thank you po! Yan, meron sa mga luxury. As ayan, parang, ito parang ganito yung sa Ong Fam. Charot. What can you say, Poy?
Happy.
Sa experience mo? Masaya ka ba, Poy? Na-experience natin ito.
Pero hindi din.
Which
Sobrang saya ko, di ako nakapag-vlog.
Sabi mo na lang, panoorin niyo lang po yung vlog ng ate ko.
Yan nga sabi ko. May vlog ka naman eh. Kaya
Sa kanila dinner date.
Jom dito, Jom. Malambot, oh. Sama, Jom. Jom, tira, Jom. Jom. Si Raya.
Doon na pala. Where are we?
we're in Subic Bay.
After yacht.
After
2025 no?
we're going to beach again.
Lapit na, mag-New Year.
Parang tinalam yung kuha mo, tripod mo.
Dito yung drone ko.
Asa?
One more. Isa pa daw, video.
Magkatagli pa mo. Hindi ka sa scam. O, yung announcer naman. Sino ba bang audience? Sino audience? Audience mo. Hop! Ito po. Ito, pinagbigyan po tayo isang audience. Halika po kayo. Magic din po yan. Okay, sasapuin mo lang po yung okay, ready? Ready? Isa, go!
Yeah! Galing mo yan.
Okay. Try na po. Ready?
Yan, one. Oh, yan.
Catch, doggy. Oh! Catch, libo. Sige.
Oh, tawa. Jo.
Mars.
Ano ba sa mo? Tut. Joy.
Tayo na naman po.
Takbo naman, boy. Malayo pa.
It's better to be early. Hindi. It's better. Huwag na nga. It's better to be safe than sorry, yo.